Hey, Dr. Shaunna here, and this is a super quick video, partly because I have a low battery on my phone. So it is super quick. If you have one of those nights, which we're having, where you don't have time to cook a big meal, but you want to have something quick, but something you don't have to fuss over or think a lot on, this is it. So this is a one-pan paprika chicken and asparagus. So let's get to it. So first off, I'm going to mix up the rub just for the chicken and asparagus. That's all that we're dealing with. So I'll bring us down to here. And this, what I have in here is one garlic minced. I'm going to add one other clove of garlic and mince that up. Okay, so we've got 2 cloves of garlic, and this is what we're going to put on top of the chicken and asparagus. And then I'm going to add to that 1 tablespoon of paprika. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And feel free to just say hi and where you're watching from. So we're mixing up this rub for our chicken and asparagus. So we've got a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and now half a teaspoon of onion powder added to the mix. Some salt and pepper. So about 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I should mention, a lot of times we're trying to avoid salt, but pepper you want more of in general. There's a lot of good healthy properties just in that in and of itself. Next, we're going to add pure avocado oil. So the most inexpensive place the least expensive place, the best price is at Costco. Always, you get double amount for half the price, and so that's been pretty consistent. So we're going to get a 1/4 cup of pure avocado oil, and the reason for that is we're going to be using heat. So I've got my oven set to 400, and that's it. That's all that we're going to put together for this little seasoned oil here that we're going to add just to give a little bit of a flavor. And there's another reason I'm doing this, is with the chicken, if we're not browning it on the stove, because we want this super easy and super fast, it's not going to brown. And so it can be cooked, but it doesn't look that great. So by adding, this is my little trick, by adding paprika, you get that brown color, and it's all good. So then all we do is we just brush this on. I'm just going to switch areas here just so you can see, hopefully. And the lemon is there to remind me we're putting that on at the end. So now I'm just going to brush this on. I'm going to do the asparagus first, the seasoned oil, and then I'm just going to brush it on the chicken. The recipe in Meal Cure, this is in the olive oil week, even though this particular one doesn't have olive oil in it. I'm just going to click off my low battery sign here, just a moment. There we go. It calls for 4 chicken breasts, but with our family of 6, we are going to add it in, and it goes just fine. So, you can also do just 2 if there's just 2 of you, or however you want to work that, or substitute it. But this gives a lot of flavor. It's super easy, super fast, and that is like literally done like dinner. Couldn't be easier just to whip that up. And then what we're going to do is cook this for about 20 minutes or until it's done, about 165 internal temperature, depending on your elevation, etc. There we go. All right. So that's it. Good, good, good. And we'll just put that in the oven, and it is just about 20 minutes, and then that's done. So you can see going in. And we'll bring that back up to me before my battery goes. So that's just a very fast one-pan paprika chicken and asparagus, and I will post the finished product afterwards, but I had to do this super quick before my battery ran out, and we've had sort of quite a crazy day. It's getting late, we need to get that dinner in, and focus on other things. So hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, feel free to like and comment. All of my cooking videos are archived on my YouTube channel at Dr. Shaunna. Just search that up, DrShaunna. And check out all the superfood videos there as well. So this is last week's meal in meal plan. And of course, we always have this week's, last week, and 2 weeks ago up at mealcure.com. That's an online superfood meal planning service I have had to take just the stress and the craziness out of that what's for dinner and put the fun, joy, ease, and of course, most of all, the health right back in. So check it out, mealcure.com. And with that, have a great night, everyone, and we'll see you soon. Be good for you.